guys, thank you for joining us on the channel today. Today's going to be a little bit different video than I normally post. I'm actually going to do an unboxing video of a new product that I am excited to be trying. It just came in the mail today. It's actually a skincare makeup line that's called Toups and Co. And they use ingredients that are organic, natural, clean, and healthy ingredients to use to make their products. I'm not sure if you're aware of this. I've known it for a long time and really have felt the urge to do something different with my skincare products because most skincare products have chemicals in it that are not healthy for us. Phthalates, parabens, a bunch of things that I can't pronounce, but a lot of those chemicals can interfere with your endocrine system. They can actually some of them have been linked to cancer, and a lot of these chemicals have actually been banned in Europe in some of the beauty products, which, you know, if they're going to ban them, they realize that there's something seriously wrong with them, and we need to be more responsible and mindful for the products that we put on our body. If you can't pronounce it, if you can't say it, if it looks like there's something that came out of a chemistry lab in those ingredients, chances are you don't need to be putting it on your body. Because the skin is the largest organ on our body. Anything we put on our skin is going to get absorbed into our body. And the pharmaceutical industry already knows that because some of the drugs that you take are delivered through your skin. So I got my Toups and Co box in the mail today. So let's open it and see what I have in here. This is going to be a short video. It's just going to show you some of the things that I've ordered. Later on I'll do a review of the products and let you know what I think about the products. I'm not a big primper, y'all. I don't know how to put makeup on really well. Never have. I need to get somebody to teach me some lessons, and I need to watch some YouTube videos, obviously. But I am so excited to have all these new products that are clean and going to be healthy for me to use on my body. So, all right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna read this to y'all. It's just a little thank you. Toups and Co began as a husband and wife duo, and we had no idea how many people would share our love for organic and natural products until you came along. It's because of you that we continue to bring the best ingredients, formulas, and products to our customers. It's nourishing ingredients, carefully selected sources, and thoughtfully curated products that have such an impact and continue to change our lives for the better. Thank you for partnering with us for a better health. Emily. That's what it's all about, y'all. Toups and Co. I'll put a link down in the description so y'all can go to their website and check them out. So I've just always bought my makeup and skincare products locally. I don't go into the department stores and spend a bunch of money on skincare products. So really, it's an investment. Me throwing out all of my beauty products and investing in new products. It's a financial investment, and that's one reason I haven't done it in the past. I've just kind of dragged my feet on it because I hated to throw out stuff that I was still using, stuff that was still good, and replace it with other products. But I am so worth having clean products to put on my body, and so are you. You are worth having healthy, clean, organic, natural products on your body. I didn't get everything I wanted because I can't afford it, but just get one thing at a time. I got a lot today, so I'm kind of excited. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so these are I didn't know what color foundation to order, so I ordered the sample kit. This is the liquid foundation. Oh, cute. It has these little things that you can use to put on and try and see what color you need. They also have powder foundation that you can order. I think with my age and my wrinkles and everything, I think I'd do better to use liquid foundation, but honestly, I don't know. Those of y'all that know, let me know whether or not I need to try the powder foundation or if it'll make me look older when it settles in my wrinkles. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all know. Okay. So this is the eyeliner and my eyebrow pencil. That's the mascara. There's no telling what's in that mascara that we're using, that we bought from the local store. What is this? Oh, that's my blush. I like that. I like that color. Okay, here's the concealer. Everybody needs some good concealer. Okay, this is the little packets where you put the eyeshadow packets. That's nice. I like how this eyeshadow packet is. You can just, when you run out of one color, you can just pull it out and replace it. So that's nice. Ooh, I love me some lipstick, y'all. During the pandemic where I've been wearing a mask to work, that's the one thing I've really missed. I've saved a lot of money on lipstick, but I sure have missed wearing my lipstick. Blushing Bride. I like that. Okay, this is the face primer. I've had face primer in the past. I really like the way it makes your foundation go on, so I'm excited to have some clean face primer. So I'm gonna tell y'all what these ingredients are in here, and then I want y'all to go look at the ingredients that are on the makeup and the skin products that you have and see if you can even pronounce them. These are natural ingredients. Aloe vera leaf juice, jojoba oil, vitamin E, candelilla wax, green tea leaf extract, rose hip fruit oil, oregano leaf extract, thyme extract, cinnamon bark. All that stuff I can say, y'all. That makes me feel good that I can actually pronounce and say the natural products that I'm going to be putting on my body. I just want y'all to be aware of Toups and Co. And there are other companies out there, other skincare makeup companies out there that use natural, organic, healthy, clean ingredients. Y'all check out the other companies, but this is the first company that I'm going to give a try. I like it because it's in the neighboring state of Alabama. That's where they're out of. I just love supporting local and supporting small mom and pop operations. I know where my money's going and I know what I'm going to be putting on my body. So, all right, so like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I've got a long list of things to do today on my day off. So if y'all like these videos that we're sharing, like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. And thank you for joining us on the channel. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.